Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a platform that matches your needs and constraints. Pick one with the right models, pricing, and privacy guarantees. Once signed up, secure the account with verification and 2FA and set billing caps so costs won't surprise you. Now define the task precisely, desired output format, audience, length, and quality, because clear intent guides prompts, prevents wasted iterations, and lets you measure success as you move into building prompts and integrations. You construct structured prompts that state role, context, constraints, and examples. This reduces ambiguity and steers behavior. Once written, tune parameters like temperature for creativity, max tokens for length, and stop sequences for clean endings, because those settings shape the model's responses. Then run a/B tests on representative inputs, validate outputs against criteria, and log failures and edge cases. These iterations uncover where prompts or parameters need repair before scaling or integrating into pipelines or apps. You deploy by integrating the chosen model via API or batch jobs, implementing retries, exponential backoff, and graceful degradation so user experience stays stable. Once live, monitor latency, quality drift, cost per request, and security logs to catch regressions early. Make sure to collect user feedback and examples of failures. When problems occur, roll back to a stable prompt or model version, update prompts or constraints, and run targeted tests. This single troubleshooting step often resolves hallucinations or cost spikes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.